If you are over 60 and you wake up feeling tired every single morning, or if your doctor has mentioned the words fatty liver, listen closely. You don't need expensive pills or complicated diets. Your liver has an incredible ability to heal itself, especially when given the right tools. Today, I am giving you a medically backed 7-day natural detox plan specifically designed for the senior body. By day 7, you will feel a noticeable difference in your energy, digestion, and overall health. I'm Dr. Tane, and I help you live longer, stronger, and healthier naturally. Subscribe now, and let's start the clock. The first 48 hours are about stopping the damage. We must remove the liver thieves. This means absolutely no processed sugars, trans fats, or excessive salt. These are the main culprits that slow down your liver's filtration. Instead, we replace them with double the water intake. For seniors, hydration is the #1 tool for liver filtration. Try adding a slice of fresh lemon to your water to stimulate bile production right from day 1. Now that the thieves are gone, we start the repair. Days 3 through 5 are the green reset. We are focusing on cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. These contain a powerful compound called sulforaphane, which helps your liver cells regenerate. I often get asked in the comments, can I eat these with curd or yogurt? The answer is a big yes. Combining these greens with a probiotic like curd actually improves your gut-liver axis, making the detox even more effective. In the final 48 hours, we lock in the progress. Every morning, start with a warm ginger and lemon tea. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that reduces liver fat. Pair this with a gentle walk. For those over 60, mild movement is better than heavy exercise because it boosts your metabolism without stressing your heart. This is how you tell your body it's time to keep the fat off for good. This 7-day guide is just the beginning of your journey to a younger, healthier liver. Consistency is your greatest medicine. If you found this plan helpful, you should watch my other video on the specific drinks that speed up alcoholic liver recovery. The link is on the screen now. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.